Okay. Hi, guys. So, Mom did a little Kinder Egg surprise again.
But we saw them.
But, yeah. Vee's eating her orange.
Ro took left.
Mom's eating blackberries.
Ro and guys, Ro took left. I took right, and we took the middle. Ah.
So, we're going to open these up.
Oh. It's eagle. What is this? Mine's an eagle. Oh, woodpecker. Woodpecker?
Oh, my God. Dad's going to look. Oh, my God. Choking on a blackberry.
Oh my
Dad's going to love that. He loves woodpeckers. Is that really a woodpecker?
Mm-hmm.
No way.
Guys, look. You know how you build this, guys? Mom! Oh, deer outside ones. They're got the eagle. You can get a deer, a raccoon, and a fox.
Wait till Dad sees this. He's going to want it, bro. You going to let him have it?
No.
I think you should.
No.
Because sometimes they just get misplaced anyway. These blackberries are good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How I put this? We'll check on this.
Oh, V needs help. We got orange everywhere. Where's yours, V?
Wait. I'll open her toy.
Okay.
I'll see which toy we get.
V. Sis has yours.
Can open her toy.
Oh. I'm in.
It's a gray and red. It's a gray and yellow one. It has a rubber band on
Is it a lion? What is it?
I think it's the instructions. The instructions. Where are the instructions? What is that? Oh. What did they It's a mountain climber guy.
Mm-hmm.
How do you build this? Hey, Mom, they got a whole different series. Right, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
I got woodpecker.
Wow. Dad's going to be so excited to see that.
This is mine, not Dad's.
See it again?
Wait, Mom, look, you can get an app. And it flies around. Mom, look, you can get the app and it flies around. See?
Super cool.
Give me my woodpecker. No, I cannot wait to eat this chocolate.
Bro, help over here. Put these together. While Mom gets rid of this orange.
Okay.
Ew.
First, I'll put this. I know how to put it. Nope, they're mine hard.
What?
Yep.
Bro.
Million pieces.
Then Mom's going to have to do it.
No, I got it.
Sis said she got it. Don't mind the mess in the background, guys. We're cleaning the carpet, so we have some things moved.
Hey, guys, there's a hair in my Kinder Egg. How do you put the hair?
What?
Right here in my chocolate.
How?
Look, see what that little hair right there? That little piece of hair? Right there? It's a little piece of hair. See it? That little piece of hair.
Make this still?
See it?
Yeah.
Bruh.
Bruh.
The hair is in my Kinder Egg. Yucky.
Looks like one of your hairs.
No, my hair not short.
One of these little ones over here. Maybe.
How did it fall off, huh? How did it fall off? Into over the heater.
I don't know.
Mommy. Wait, Mommy.
You need help. Mommy. Hi, V. Say hi.
Guys, we had this eagle, but then we lost the eagle. Then now we have it again.
Here, V, you want a blackberry? Ooh.
Put the wings.
Yummy. Okay. Is that yummy? Look, there's more. Say more in sign language.
Let me see more.
How do you say more, V?
I have no idea.
She knows. Say more. Oh, it's sour. Maybe she doesn't want any more.
She said, free First
Wah.
they're sweet, then they're sour.
Wah.
He said first they're sweet, then they're sour.
They are a little sour.
First they're sweet, then they're sour.
You got this, Lay.
I don't know how to build this.
Mom's gonna have to put this guy together and show you guys later, maybe. Maybe not. This guy goes, that piece goes there. That's Eagle's head. What's this little thing? It looks like
Sickle.
sticker for the builder.
That's not a builder.
I mean a climber. Can I see
Hillary's
this?
chocolate. No.
I'm gonna need that, V. Oh. I need that for the instructions. Oh no. Yeah, it looks a little complicated. Mom's definitely gonna need 2 hands and a little bit of focus. So.
Can you help me?
Sure. Can you say help me in sign language? Good job. Help me. When you bring it close to you and help you, you put it towards the other person. Right? Uh-oh. Are you throwing blackberries at me? Hey!
I cannot. Mom, climb it.
1, 2, Gabrielle.
Mom, climb it.
Do.
Mom, climb it.
1, 2.
Mom, climb it. Oh, you're dessert.
Hey.
Mom,
Hmm?
you climb it. Like an ultra Kinder dessert.
Really?
M&M's in it.
Really, bro?
I want to see how it tastes. Right.
1, 2, Gabrielle. How's it going? Sorry, Lay. You mean to do it? Hey, bro, we need your help. Assistance, please, bro. Bro. So we can show him the bird. And then we can get off. Uh-oh, because bro's waking up. There's baby Z on the bed over there. Look at his chunky baby toes.
I hold you. No.
Help sister get the eagle put together. You help her? She's almost done. Amadeus. Like, do you mind if he helps you? Or you got it?
You're dumb.
Oh, man. You got this. You got this. You got this. Bro, help. Come on, bro. Can you help? Come on. Come here. No, come here. Help. You can put it together?
Chocolate.
What about the wings? I think they have to go in first. Here, bro. Hey, that's fees.
I'm not getting it for. It's almost done. Look, it's almost done, guys. I'm going so long. No.
Oh, no. Here. Some of this.
What?
Can you help her, please? You know how to do this one?
I'm gonna get you.
Huh?
Where's my spoon? Does anybody know where my spoon is? Does anybody know where my spoon is?
No.
And I guess I just have to do this. Hey, there's a little hair in mine.
Why is there a little hair in all of them? The hair?
Yeah.
You're welcome. Oh, no.
Chocolate.
B, I'll give you a spoon. A little baby spoon. Dun, dun, dun.
Squeeze in. Turn, bro.
Want Mom to do it?
Oh, I got it. Look, guys. Got this chocolate bowl.
Really?
Yummy.
It's your hair. Uh-oh. Dun, dun, dun. He was spinning around. Watch this, guys. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow.
Really?
Like the middle.
Wow. Wow. So amazing. Oh, no.
Never. That makes no sense. Huh? How the freak do you do this?
Here, let Mom do it. Want Mom to do it? Bro.
Look at my hand. Dun, dun, dun.
Willie Lay? Hey, bro. Let me see. Here. Wait. We need this, this, and this, and then we need one wing.
Wait, how'd you do it?
2 wings. And this goes. Ah! Wait, one fell out.
Here, let me do it.
Wait, one fell out. It has to come back off now.
Let me do it. I can do it.
But you're supposed to be recording, bro.
I can do it, I said. Pay no attention to the baby as a mess. Wait! Don't make that dirty. Who's this guy?
Are you recording it? What are you looking at? You're not paying attention, Amadeus.
I'm looking at you.